What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're headed all the way to Philly to check out the new C8 Z06. So I'm pretty excited. Oh, she loud. I'm pretty excited, and yeah, let's go check it out. So guys, we finally made it. Look at this. The Maserati MC20. That shit is sexy. See, I need that. About to hop over the fence. Let me in. Let me in, coach. God damn. Got a little 720S over here. Here it is. This is the Z06, Z07. Oh my God. Is it worth it? I mean, MSRP at 155, but they're selling for 200 plus right now. Ridiculous. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you think it's worth it or if you think it's overpriced. Sick ass car though. All right, we can't get in it, but I can get you a little interior. I think it's pretty standard to the normal C8. I've driven a normal C8, honestly. It was impressive, but it wasn't much different than my C5 Z06. I prefer the feeling of the C5 over the C8. It's just more raw, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. The new Mustang Dark Horse. Oh, y'all can't see that paint, but it's sick. It's not gonna capture right on the camera. Last of the muscle car era, right here. It's dying. We made it to the custom car section. Let's see what they got here. Yo, he got like no tire. Where's the tire?
He just bought that shit.
Where's the tire? He said low profile. What's going on here? Oh, see? I'm trying to build one of these. I'm not gonna lie, I missed mine. Is it twin turbo? Yep. This is a wide body I'm talking about. Damn. My boy didn't just crash his SRT8. He could have something like this going on. This is sick.